Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm teaching you the Valentine Day Smiley Heart Design Step by Step Guide. This courtesy design done by nail artist Kate Smith, known on Instagram as Kate Video, is whimsical and so easy to achieve. All you need is very steady hand and a very thin brush. Says Smith, this final nail brush from Amazon will get the job done. Style number two, hot pink tips. This was my flirty take on the classic French tip design. Nail artist Cicely Elise tells allure. The pop of neon, pink, and crystal accents allow the nail to still be simple with the bit of edge. To get this look at home, use a fine line brush and a vivid pink polish like Orle Neon Heart to create V-shaped tips, then apply to sparkly appliques to the nails of your choosing. Next style is pink ombre hearts. This mesmerizing ombre design was completely hand printed by Smith. No big deal. I started off with 2-day dots, then using a nail art brush, dragged the bottom to the dots into the triangle shape, giving way to the perfect heart every single time. She explains of the technique for design. It's essential to use colors that are very pigmented. For the darkest pink shade might we suggest as the strings of things, and for the base shade we recommend Zoya's Brink Tone, a beautiful pink nod hue with micro particles of glitters. Our next design is rainbow heart tips. Just because it's Valentine Day does not mean you need to stick to red and pink nail colors. Only this whimsical design by Lucky of the Nail Room Charts and Co. in London can be easily recreated at home using colors you already have in your collections. Start by painting your nails with a nude or every polish, and then create your heart tips using a stencil